Hey miners, hope you all going well. So there is a quick update, and this is that NB miner is releases in this. Before that we can see nice as quick miner also releases the first that they can unlock their LHR cards or Nvidia LHR cards is 100%. And in this video we can see that NV miner also releases that they are unlock LHR cards 100%, and this is the first miner. So quick miner is the first and NV miner is the second one, and this is the version that is NV miner version 41.0. and in this version, before video if you checked out that I'm saying that this version can be unlocked LHR cards is 100%. So we are going to see that how to unlock your LHR card by NV miner on Windows and Linux. So today I just going to show you that how you can unlock your LHR cards by NV miner in Hiveos. So here we can see that my both 3060 LHR card, as you know that I have two 3060 LHR card. This is the V1, this is the V2 card, and here we can see my both card is now running on 50 megahash. This is the going to decrease because I'm opening this website and the Chrome, that's why this is some decreasing because I open this the same computer, so that's why this is the decrease. But you can see that my B2 card is giving me 50.52 megahash. So this is awesome, and we are going to test that how to unlock your LHR card by NV miner. So all you need to do, here we can see that this is my rigs, and this is the rig, and this is my 3060 LHR card. So what is the overclock setting? You can set this, the core clock is 1552 and memory clock is 3000, but I'm going to test it some more 31,000 or 16,000 because on Windows I gave the memory clock is 1550. You can see if you check my video. So now for set this overclock setting, that is fan is 100%, core clock is 1552 and memory clock is 3000. So you can set a flight sheet. I'm just testing now, and I don't know what you are getting, but I hope this is the stable version from any miner, and that's why you also can get the full megahash on your LHR card. So this is the flight sheet and edit. So here you can see that I'm selected the ETH hash from nice hash, but you can select ETH hash direct, and this is my wallet ID, my nice hash wallet ID. This is the configure pool. So I'm using nice hash. You can configure your pool by this here, and here we can see that I'm selecting the NV miner, okay, and because I'm using nice hash, so I'm using the ESA East, and this is the name, that is rig name. It unlock 100% test because we are going to test. So all is done, and the setup config, if you set the setup config, then here you can see that the ETH algorithm wallet and worker name is here. You can click on by this here, and nice as pool server. And the more important thing is, here we can see that this is the latest version that from NV miner, but you can select this is the version, but I'm going to select the latest version. So I just already said, so that's why I'm just canceling. After all, the whole thing is same. You can see that this is the wallet ID, and this is the server pool that I'm using from NiceHash, and this is the algorithm. So overclock setting is, you can double check on, that is same. And after the main thing, you are all set here. You can see that all is running. So after you rig start, here you can see that my rig is running. So after the rig start, here all need to do, just set up a batch file on your miner, so you can unlock 100% your LHR card. Because NV miner, if you, I just tested on before that if you use your LHR card for mining by NV miner on Hiveos, so if you run directly, then you cannot get the maximum hash rate. You get around 35 to 38 megahash maximum on this latest NV miner 41.0. But if you need to 100% unlock your LHR card, so all you need to do, just come on Hiveos, and after your rig is start, here you can see that rig is start. So in this here, in this run command, okay, just click on that, and in this here you can paste a code that I'm giving you in my video description, so you can check it. So this is the total batch file that you all need to paste and run it, so you can unlock your LHR card is 100%. So I am already set it just for you. I just show you that how you can also do the same process. So I hope you can understand. So what you need to do, as a short, you are going to your Hiveos, just set up your rig, create flight sheet, and after a flight sheet, just a minute, yes, so after a flight sheet, click on Ethash. You can use NiceHash Ethash or direct Ethash, what you are using. Select your wallet, select your pool. I'm using NiceHash, so that's why I'm using NiceHash pool. And this is the server or statum generator. The miner is NB miner. You can see that NB miner, and setup config file is, you can see that all are take automatically, that says wall worker name, and pool server is NiceHash. Just you can check that the version is going to be latest. Okay, so I'm selected and apply changes, and after you set something, your LHR rig name or your flight sheet name, so create flight sheet. Okay, I'm now select the flight sheet, and just a minute. Okay, so after worker name, set here flight sheet, and you just click on this is, I'm just now create, so just click on that in this here, so you can set your flight sheet. After all, run your miner, and then come to the Hiveos and click on the run command and paste on the code and run on it. Okay, so this is all, just no much is taking. Just a minute. So this is the main thing. This is not a big deal that you can't do this. You are also do this, the simple process. So this is the my version which NVIDIA NV miner is also recommended for Hiveos. This is my OS version from Hiveos, and this is just nothing more. So that NV miner is recommending here. So this is all set. I'm just cut off. So this is the main code. I just copy from here and paste you in my video description. So this is the main, that how you can unlock your LHR cards. Here we can see after some minute, here we can see that this is give me around 47 and this is the 52, but you can also see that the same result is here. But after I close my browser, you can see that I get the full megahash and how much you can get. So just for this I set some extra overclock setting. So just a few minutes wait, because I'm changing my overclock setting is some around max. Or and one more thing, that your mining rigs or power card is, if you have 3060 LHR card, then it's take around 118 to 120 watt. Just refresh on. Okay, so my overclock is set. Here we can see that NVIDIA setting applied. Okay, and this is the main thing. So I'm just closed on here my browser and put an error. Okay, I think it's going to be max, or I don't know, but this is the overclock setting that you can set on your LHR card. Okay, my nice NV miner is restart my LHR card. Here we can see the number one is LHR V1 and second one is LHR V2 card. So just a few minutes wait, then I can give you the max hash rate, or NV miner is unlocked the latest NV miner version, that is unlock LHR card 100%. Now it's giving me around 35 megahash or 38 megahash on this, and here you can see that temperature is going around 48 and second one is 53. The okay, just a few minutes is done. So you can use your rigs first of all in Hiveos, because it's better to unlock LHR cards, because in this before video I can say that I'm saying that I'm testing NV miner on Windows, but there is some mixed settings that is going to be some difficulty, not difficulty, but I prefer Hiveos because this is the simple process. Here we can see that my both card is giving me, number one V1 card is giving me 50.60 megahash and V2 card is giving me 50.72 megahash, and it takes 121 to 118 power limit. So this is the update guys, hope you enjoy this video. And so set up your own mining rig, and now if you buy some LHR cards, you don't need to worry about this, because there is no unlocking features that you can get on your LHR card. You set your mining farm and get the full potential or the full mega hash and get the full hash rate on your LHR cards. What is a view? Okay, so this is the result. So hope you like this video, and this is going to be long because it's around 15 minutes up, but you can see that how you can, or how I set my mining farm or mining rig. Sorry, not my mining farm because it's too small. So here we can see that how I am setting my two small rigs or my two LHR cards and getting the max hash rate on this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it's too little subscriber on my channel. So if you give a like and subscribe to my channel, then I can motivate myself and give you more best video for you to make. So this is the actual that I just wanted to show you, that how you can get or how to set up Hiveos by NV miner and you can get the maximum hash rate on your LHR card. So this is the update, guys. So goodbye and see you in the next one.